So how do you work with your clients to help them discover their brand identity?
It starts with a conversation that you have with your client to extract their thoughts, feelings, adjectives that help describe who they are. The questions are focused on who they are and also who they want to be. They're very aspirational. You know, how would you describe your company to a colleague? How would an employee describe your company to a friend? These reveal slight nuances in differences in perspective, which can be helpful in understanding the brand. There's so many brands out there now, and sometimes talking about big brands really helps. You know, the difference between, you know, this retailer and another retailer, or different types of cars, for example. You get a client team in a room, and they'll argue about whether or not they're, you know, a Tesla or a Volkswagen. You know, it's really interesting, and the differences and the way that they resolve the disparity is actually very interesting and provides insight into the process. So the answers to those questions, they become the criteria, if you will, for evaluating a logo. We tell our clients when we present work that we're not going to ask you if you like it or not. We're going to ask you, does it work? And it works if the criteria has been met. And that helps take a lot of the emotion out of it. Everyone has a different opinion. They have aesthetics, you know, favorite colors, things like that. By creating an objective set of criteria, it makes the process very, very smooth and helps us arrive at the right solution sooner.